Hello, everybody. This is Transforming Business Intelligence with Tableau and SQL, driving data-driven decisions in modern businesses. My name is Michael Head, and presenting with me is Jefferson Collins. Um, so, on our agenda for this presentation, we're going to be understanding what Tableau is, um, how it's used with Tableau, and why it's used with Tableau, and how it's beneficial, some real world examples, and then our example that we've made. So first off, um, Tableau offers it's a powerful data visualization tool that allows users to create an interactive and shareable dashboards. And why do people use Tableau? First off, because it's an user-friendly interface, making it accessible for users of all kinds, whether you're a beginner or super advanced with this type of technology. It makes it very easy to create visualizations. Second, it's a seamless integration from multiple data sources, so it doesn't matter whether if it's a spreadsheet, a database, or cloud platform. It's going to allow you to use all of that very easily. The third one is real-time data analysis, which provides you with functionality that allows you to make informed decisions quickly. And then also its scalability. It grows as your business grows. Tableau is going to be able to grow with you without compromising on performance, no matter how big. And then lastly, its security and governance. So all your data is going to be protected and compliant with regulatory standards. So how is Tableau used? Well, first, its key features is its drag and drop interface on the dashboards. You can just drag certain fields on, making it super easy. Second is data blending, allows you to use data from different sources seamlessly. So like we were saying, whether it's a database or a spreadsheet, it makes it very easy to show. And also it's great for real-time collaboration. You and other people can work on it at the same time. This fosters teamwork and enhances productivity in the team. And then also there's interactive dashboards, so users can interact with the data in meaningful ways, uncovering insights that static reports might overlook. And lastly, it has advanced analytic capabilities, and you can use this to perform complex analysis directly within the Tableau environment without the need for any additional tools. So you got everything in there that you need. And so now we're going to look at how SQL is leveraged with Tableau. And this is maximizing data insights through seamless integration and SQL query optimization. So SQL, also known as structured query language, serves as a standard language for managing, querying, and manipulating data stored in relational databases. SQL enables users to perform a variety of operations on relational databases, including updating existing records, inserting new data, and performing complex calculations. By integrating Tableau and SQL, businesses can easily extract data from their relational databases and transform it into interactive visualizations. This integration empowers decision makers to gain valuable insights from their data, facilitating informed, data-driven decisions. In summary, SQL serves as the backbone for managing and manipulating data in relational databases, while Tableau's integration with SQL streamlines data extraction and analysis processes. Together, they empower businesses to unlock insights and drive informed decision making. So, how is it integrated with Tableau? Tableau provides native connectors with various SQL databases, enabling users to establish direct connections to the SQL database. This ensures real-time access to the most up-to-date data. And also the SQL query generation. Tableau's intuitive interface allows users to write and execute SQL queries within the platform. Users can leverage the power of SQL to perform advanced data manipulations, calculations, and transformations directly on the database. Um, Tableau also supports parameterized queries, allowing users to dynamically pass parameters to SQL queries based on user inputs or predefined conditions. Tableau also enables users to blend and join data from SQL databases with other data resources, facilitating comprehensive analysis and visualization of integrated datasets. Users can combine data from multiple SQL tables or databases as well from different types of databases to gain deeper insights and uncover relationships. And lastly, optimize performance. Tableau optimizes SQL query performance by generating efficient queries and optimizing data retrieval strategies. This ensures fast and responsive dashboards even when dealing with large data sets or complex analytical queries. So, what are the benefits of implementing SQL and Tableau? So the first is streamlined data access, which gives you direct connection like we were talking about earlier. Data extracts, so you can, this allows users to create offline extracts of the SQL data, so they can do analysis and still maintaining the ability to refresh the data as needed. And then query optimization, also like we were talking about earlier, Tableau optimizes SQL queries for performance by leveraging database-specific optimizations and query execution strategies. This ensures that queries are executed efficiently, even when dealing with complex joins, aggregations, or calculations on large datasets. As a result, users experience fast query response times and smooth interaction with their data. And lastly, incremental refresh. So Tableau supports incremental data refreshes, which allows users to update only the data that has changed since the last refresh. And this minimizes the amount of data transfer between Tableau and SQL, reducing the time and resources to keep things up to date. Next, gives you great benefits in advanced analytics through custom SQL queries. Allows you to write SQL queries directly within Tableau, so you can use that language within that platform. Stored procedures and functions. Tableau supports the execution of stored procedures and user-defined functions defined in SQL databases. This enables users to leverage predefined logic and computation stored in the database for complex analytics tasks, enhancing productivity and maintaining consistency across analysis. Window functions and analytical functions. Tableau supports a wide range of SQL window function and analytical functions, enabling users to perform sophisticated analytics such as ranking, partitioning, and moving averages directly within Tableau. And Tableau also integrates with external predictive analysis tools and libraries that support SQL-based model deployment and scoring. This allows users to leverage predictive models built by using SQL-based algorithms within Tableau for forecasting, classification, and anomaly detection, enhancing the depth and breadth of analytics capabilities. And lastly, the best benefit, like we've said, is real-time reporting. The live connections between SQL and Tableau, data refreshing schedule, so whenever data reaches a certain point, this can automate the process of updating data within their dashboard and reports. So users can schedule periodic refreshes at specific intervals to ensure that their reports are always up to date, even when working with dynamic or frequently changing data. Tableau supports alerting and notification features that allow users to set up thresholds and triggers based on predefined conditions. When data meets or exceeds specific thresholds, Tableau can send alerts and notifications to users via email or other channels, enabling proactive monitoring and data decision making. And real-time monitoring and dashboards. So users can configure dashboards to refresh automatically at regular intervals or response to specific events like we were saying earlier. And so let's look at some real-world applications and success stories of how Tableau and SQL have been integrated. So in the early 2010s, Netflix faced a significant challenge. With over 10 billion rows of data coming in daily, they found themselves filling up disk drives faster than they could set them up. So they turned to Tableau for solutions. Netflix sought Tableau's assistance in managing their massive influx of data, which included valuable insights into user behavior, content performance, and streaming quality. Using Tableau, Netflix analyzed content consumption patterns to understand which genres, titles, and categories were most popular among different demographics and geographic regions. Tableau helped Netflix segment its audience based on various criteria, allowing for targeted marketing campaigns and personalized content recommendations. Netflix used Tableau to track the performance of its original content releasing, analyzing metrics such as viewership numbers, completion rates, and viewer ratings. Netflix monitored streaming quality and performance metrics across its global network infrastructure, ensuring a seamless viewing experience for subscribers. Tableau facilitated Netflix in analyzing user engagement metrics to identify opportunities for enhancing the user experience and increasing subscriber retention. Through its collaboration with Tableau, Netflix successfully navigated its data challenges and gained actionable insights into viewer behavior, content performance, and platform usage, ultimately driving growth and success in the streaming industry.
Hey everyone, my name is Jefferson Collins, and I'm going to walk you through an example of showing you how to connect a SQL database to Tableau, and we're going to use a superhero database. So the first thing you need to do is download DB Browser for SQLite and Tableau. You can go straight to the web and type in DB Browser for SQLite download and download it for free. Tableau does cost money, but you can get a student account for free or do the 14-day free trial. Next, once you have both applications downloaded to your device, it is time to start building the database. In DB Browser, you can choose to manually create your database or use SQL queries to create and update your database. By the end, you should have a database that looks similar to mine. And in this example, we created a superhero database. It has 3 tables: superheroes, villains, and battles. Both superheroes and villains are referenced in the battles table to create a relationship between a superhero and their rival. So once you have the database created, we can now open Tableau. Here we can see on the left side of the screen, it gives us options to connect to Tableau. For example, under To a Server, select the other database ODEC. This will open a prompt to connect the database, and more than likely, you will not have the specific driver needed for SQLite. But if you already do, then you can skip the next step. So what you need to do is go to the web and search for drivers for SQLite and look for a free version. I chose one by DevArt, and ensure you select the correct download for your operating system. Once you have it downloaded, open the application, keep everything to its default, and finish the setup. Once the setup is complete, you can go back to Tableau and open the other databases ODBC. So once you have this open, click the other days, and once you have the other databases open in the prompt, select the newly downloaded driver for SQLite. Click the Connect button. A window for SQLite configuration will pop up. Click the 3 dots to the right of the database and select your database. Next, click Test Connection to ensure a successful connection. It will state Connected successfully, then click OK. Your database should autofill at the bottom. Click Sign In, and it will bring you to the Tableau section where you can start editing your data. Now that the database and Tableau are connected, we need to extract the data and ensure the relationships are correct. In the left side of the screen, under Table, type in your table's name and click the blue plus sign button to the right to extract it. Once all 3 tables are extracted, you can drag them around and ensure the relationship is correct. Just as shown in the picture, it has all 3 tables connected with battles in the middle. Now, we can manipulate the data. So this first example shows the correlation of powers among superheroes and villains. Tableau makes data manipulation easy by their drag and drop feature. You can just drag the attribute from the left and into a specific characteristic. And as shown in this example, you can see that Aquaman and Black Manta share the power of water. Same thing with Robin and Deathstroke share the power of technology. Shazam and Black Adam share the power of flying. So in this next example, we show the correlation of weaknesses among superheroes and villains. And I used the drag and drop feature before, but extracting different data sets this time. Tableau has so many possibilities in data manipulation. And in this example, we show Aquaman and Black Manta dehydration is the weakness. And for Superman, it's kryptonite. And for Martian, it's fire and his arch nemesis. Data manipulation is easy to use in Tableau, and in this project we touched just on the surface of what Tableau can do. I hope this video was fun and informational, and please take care. Thank you.